Hi everyone, Dylan Allison here with Hoosier Riverwatch, and welcome to our series of training videos on water quality monitoring. Whether you're a current volunteer or a potential new volunteer, these videos will serve as a refresher or an introduction. Let's dive in.
Nitrate, NO3, and nitrite, NO2, are nitrogen forms found in water. They enter waterways from sources like human and animal waste, fertilizer runoff, and decomposing organic matter. While essential for plant growth, excessive levels can lead to eutrophication and harmful algal blooms. Several factors can contribute to elevated nitrate and nitrite levels, including waste from livestock and poultry, agricultural, golf course, and lawn fertilizer runoff, and improperly treated wastewater. To measure nitrate and nitrite using the Hawk nitrate test strips, first, Trimple rinse the container and collect a sample from the main flow of the stream. Submerge the test strip for 1 second and remove. Do not shake off the excess water. Hold the strip level, pad side up, and wait 30 seconds for color development. Match the colors to the appropriate standards. The nitrate is the top pad on the test strip furthest from your thumb. Nitrite is the bottom pad closest to your thumb. Convert the results to nitrate and nitrite concentrations using the provided conversion factors in the training manual. For example, to convert nitrate, use the value from the test strip multiplied by 4.4 and record that answer on the datasheet.